actually works! I have fixed something! The first thing that was broken was this pump. It's for the headlights unit, and the reason why it was leaking was through this hole. And the second thing was the nozzle. You can see the pin here had just go off, and the last owner didn't change this for I don't know what reason. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video.
When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off, go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off, go off.
So as you can see here, one of the pins was that just cut off like that, and I don't understand why the last owner didn't change this, because this is like a 10 minutes change. So yeah, that's the reason why this doesn't work. And the funny thing is, or more the sad thing is, when you have two pins like this through your nozzle, these cost like 30 to 50 bucks each. If I just had a single one, I had just to pay 8. So it was more expensive than I expected, but yeah, I'm gonna show the new one. So here is the new one, and that's what we're gonna install. One thing I recommend you to do is to fix the wiring first, because it gets really tight. So you just don't push it in the whole way.
That's what she said.
First, just plug in the wiring first before you plug in everything, okay?
Losing control, I gotta know who's in control of me. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me? Bring it back.
Nope.
So the other thing I did was that I changed the pump, and because I'm gonna delete this and cover this up, I just sealed the hole here so they're not leaking, and I used the old sealing here. So there was the leak, so now nothing's leak here. So I forget to make an outro, but I just want to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We are so close to 100 subscribers, and see you next time.